I am Assistant Professor Sonali Bothe. Today we are going to start basic introduction of periodic table. Now see the S and P block element. Contains basic introduction of periodic table, S block element, P block element. Here is the structure of periodic table. Here is the S block element, here is the P block element, here is the D block element, and last is the F block element. Now see the modern periodic table. Organization of the periodic table. Published the first periodic table in 1869. He showed that when the elements were ordered according to the atomic weight, a pattern resulted where similar properties for elements recurred periodically. Based on the work of physicist Henry Moseley, the periodic table was reorganized on the basis of increasing atomic number rather than on atomic weight. The revised table could be used to predict the properties of elements that had yet to be discovered. Many of these predictions were later substantiated through experimentation. This led to the formulation of the periodic law, which states that the chemical properties of the elements are dependent on their atomic number. Elements in the periodic table are arranged in periods, rows, and groups is the column. Each of the 7 periods is filled sequentially by atomic number. Groups include elements having the same electron configuration in their outer shell, which results in group elements sharing similar chemical properties. Total 118 elements in periodic table. The electrons in the outer shell are termed valence electrons. Valence electrons determine the properties and chemical reactivity of the element and participate in chemical bonding. There are two sets of group. The group A elements are the representative elements which have S or P sublevels as their outer orbitals. The group B elements are the non-representative elements which have partially filled d sublevels. The transition elements or partly filled F sublevels, the lanthanide series and the actinide series. The Roman numeral and later designation give the electron configuration for the valence electron. Example, the valence electron configuration of group 6A element will be sp2p3 with 5 valence electrons. Another way to categorize element is according to whether they behave as metal or non-metal. Most elements are metal. They are found on the left hand side of the table. The far right side contain the non-metal plus hydrogen display non-metal characteristic. Under ordinary condition, elements that have some properties of metal and some properties of non-metal are called metalloid and semi-metal. These elements are found along a zigzag line that runs from the upper left of group upper left of group 30 to the bottom right of group 60. Metals are generally good conductors of heat and electricity, are malleable and ductile, and have a lustrous metallic appearance. In contrast, most non-metal are poor conductors of heat and electricity, tend to be brittle solid and can assume any of a number of physical form. While all of the metal except mercury are solid, under ordinary condition, non-metals may be solid, liquid or gases at room temperature and pressure. Element may be further subdivided into groups. Groups of metal include the alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, transition metal, basic metal, lanthanide and actinides group of nonmetals include the nonmetal, halogen and noble gases. Now see the periodic table of the element. Here is the S block element, here is the D block element, and here is the P block element. Here is the F block element. First one is the lanthanide series and last one is the actinide series. Thank you.